Hey guys, Ty here from Rally Sport Direct, and today we're going to be installing some Crawford Rock Sliders onto our 18 Crosstrek right here. So these Crawford Rock Sliders are essentially meant to protect the rocker panels on the car, and this is because when you're off-roading or doing some overlanding, a lot of the times those rocks like to sneak up and then kiss the rocker panels. So they can definitely take some damage, especially if you're not being super careful. And you know, when I like to go off-roading, I don't really like to be careful. So having these rock sliders on the car is going to allow me to have some more peace of mind when I'm really giving it the beans off-road. So let's get into the install. So the tools you're going to need for this install are pretty simple. It's going to be a 19mm socket, you're going to need your 1/2" ratchet, and then 9/16 socket as well. The bolts that we're going to need to take out are this one right here, and that's part of the subframe, and it's located right next to the front tire. So if we're looking at the front tire, we're going to look up here, right there. And then the only other bolt you'll need to take out is the rear subframe bolt, which is located by the rear tire. So if we're looking at it, here's that rear tire, and here is that rear subframe bolt. And we're going to take both of those out with a 19mm socket. Now, before we go ahead and actually put this guy into the Crosstrek, we're going to take this bump stop and the supplied hardware that Crawford gave us. We're going to put a bump stop into each one of these little mounts right here, just so that the rock sliders don't, hit the rocker panels on the car. And then to tighten these down, you're going to get a 9/16 socket. All right, now that these two bump stops are in right here, we're going to take this rock slider, lift it up into the position, and then we're going to take the two OEM bolts that go into the subframe, front and rear, use those to put this in. We'll be good to go. All right, now that we've got everything bolted back up to the Crosstrek, the torque specs are just going to be the OEM torque spec for the rear subframe bolt and the front subframe bolt. And once that's all on, you're good to go. All right guys, and that was the install video for the Crawford Rock Sliders for the 18 Crosstrek. This way you'll be able to boogie down the trail, bump all the rocks you want to, and you'll be A-okay. Your rocker panels will be totally protected. So if you liked the video, remember to like, comment, subscribe. It lets us know how we're doing. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one.